we're gonna catch our train to Busan. We finally made it to Busan, and we don't know what we're doing yet, so we're just trying to find food. Ooh. Oh! Alright, oh! What do you eat? Just dried skin? Is this thing on? Hey guys, we made it to the beach. So far we've just kind of lounged. We took a nap, which was really needed after waking up so early. We took a bunch of pictures, dipped our feet in the water. It's really cold. There's an aquarium I kind of want to check out. It's been really nice, very relaxing, very fun time here at Haeundae Beach. We're going to TGI Friday! We came to Busan to eat at TGI Fridays. I'm not mad though. Temple. It's right on the beach and it's so beautiful. It's so busy. It's like alive with culture. People are, you know, paying their respects to the Buddha. I've seen so many people just bowing down, like praying. Everything here is so incredible. Like nothing I've ever seen. I drink holy water though. I kind of feel like I shouldn't because I'm not Buddhist or I don't practice Buddhism, but I was thirsty. Sweet pancake. Oh God, these fish have no eyes. a ton of fish and like all kinds of really crazy sea creatures that I'm not used to seeing. There was these really cool tunnels where you can like walk in and there's like water all around you and huge sharks and stingrays. Overall it was like really awesome. I love this